Hello everyone, I am Archana Rani. In this video lecture, I am going to discuss Introduction to Cost Accounting, Unit 6 of Information System and Engineering Economics course. Learning objective of this lecture is to impart the basic banking and financial accounting knowledge that is required for the career as a software developer. And at the end of this unit actually, the student will able to apply the basic concept of cost accounting in the real world problem. Let's we have a look on the lecture. These are the topic that I am going to cover: the definition of cost accounting, terminology we use it for the cost accounting, that is what is cost, what is costing, what is cost accounting exactly, the concept map of the cost accounting, relationship between the financial accounting, cost accounting and management accounting, that is the branches of accounting that we have covered in a unit 5. What is the objective of cost accounting, limitation of cost accounting and conclusion. Let's we start to discuss the introduction to cost accounting. For introduction to cost accounting, first we should know what is the term of cost. Cost means it is an amount of expenses incurred on or attributed to the specified things or the activity. And as per the Institute of Cost and Work Account, that is ICW, in India, cost is measurement in mandatory term of amount of resources used for the purpose of production of good or rendering services. And it makes efforts, that efforts constitute the cost of getting the result. That is the expenses system of money. It means the amount of expenses incurred on or attributed to some specific thing or the activity. So what is cost account? This is the term of the cost. Now what is cost accounting? Cost accounting, it is a branch of the cost accounting that deal with the calculation of cost per unit, management of cost per unit and control of cost per unit. That is called as the cost accounting. And as I said it, that cost means it is the amount of expenses that incurred or contributed for the specified thing or the activity. That is, it provides the information for both management accounting and financial accounting. It measures and report from the financial and non-financial data. So what is exactly the cost accounting in general terms? So cost accounting, it is a formal process of accounting for cost in the book of account, that is cost. Cost related things come in a accounting book, that is called as the cost accounting. It means the cost of the product or the service are ascertained and controlled. That is called as the cost accounting. Whereas the bookish definition for the cost accounting, the institute, as I said it, the Institute of the Cost and Work Accounting, London, is defined cost accounting as the process of accounting for cost for the point at which the expenditure incur or commit to the establishment of it ultimate relationship with the cost center and the cost unit. In its wider uses, it's embraced the preparation of the statistical data, the application of cost control method, and the ascertainment of the profitability of the activities carried out or planned. Whereas, as per the India ICW cost accounting, it is a technique and the process of ascertainment of the cost. That cost accounting, the process of accounting for the cost, which begins with the recording of the expenses or the base on which they are calculating and end with the preparation of the statistical data. Hope you clear the definition and term of the cost accounting. Let's we discuss what are the different terminology we get it for the cost accounting. Terminology, it's focused what is cost, what is costing, what is cost accounting exactly. For cost, cost is nothing but, as I said it, it is the amount of expenses that incurred on or attributed to the specified thing or the activity. That is, it sacrificed the resources to obtain the something. That is called as the cost. Whereas what is costing, it is a process of ascertaining the cost, and cost accounting is a process of accounting for the cost. That is, it is a practice of costing and the cost accounting. That is called as the cost accounting. More details for the terminology. Cost is the amount of expenditure incurred on a specified object. That object, as I said it, that any activity or the anything. It means the price paid for something. It is an activity or the atom or the operation which we separate measurement of that cost is desired. Whereas costing is a technique for the ascertainment of the cost of the product or the service, where we apply that cost concept. And cost accounting, it is a formal system of accounting of cost in a book of account by means which the cost of the product or the services are ascertained and concern for the cost ascertainment, cost estimation or the cost control. Now what is this term? That cost ascertainment, it is a computations of the actual cost incurred, whereas the cost estimation is a process of the predetermine the cost of the product or the services, and the cost control is a technique for minimizing the cost of the product or the services. This is all about the terminology of the cost. If we represent that terminology in a pictorial representation, the cost accounting have the two main objective, that is cost ascertainment as we had seen and the cost control. Cost ascertainment having the method of costing, that is the cost sheet, material costing, labor costing, overhead costing and all details. Whereas the second classification is job or batch costing, process costing, service costing or contact costing. And for cost control is the technique of the costing which help for the managerial costing, standard costing or the budgetary costing. And these are the different chapters of the subject of the cost accounting. Let's we have a look on what is the relationship between the financial accounting, cost accounting and management accounting. These three terms we have already covered in unit 3. The relationship that financial accounting and management accounting, it's totally depend on the cost accounting. Based on the product cost only, we are finding out the profit and showing the financial condition of the business or the organization or the enterprise or the firm. So account is based on the financial accounting, managerial accounting and cost accounting. Financial accounting provide the information to the external parties, that is who are our investor, creditor or the regulator. Whereas the managerial accountant provide the information of the internal users, that are the different types of the manager, and cost accountant provide the information of the both internal and external users. Who are the internal and external users, that also we cleared it. So product cost information, and they provide the information of the product cost information. Let's we have a look on the objective of the cost accounting. For objective of the cost accounting, we are having the different objective, that is classification of the cost. What are the classification of cost that we are going to cover in the next lecture. Then the ascertainment of cost, determination of the selling price, ascertainment of the profit, measurement and identification of means of the increasing efficiency, felicitation of the cost control and cost reductions, and basis of the managerial decisions making. These are the objective of cost accounting. Whereas cost accounting is again having some limitations. That limitations are, it's based on the estimations. How it's based on the estimation, that the cost accounting is rely on heavily on predetermined data only. That data, it is reliable or not. Next is no uniform procedures in a cost accounting. That is again the limitations. There is no uniform procedures with the same information. Different result may arrive at the different cost accounting, or the large number of convenience or the estimates. There are the several conventions and the estimates in preparing the cost record, such as the material are issuing on average standard price, overhead are changing the percentage basis. Therefore, the profit arise from the cost record are not true. That is again the limitations. Next is the formalities are more. Many formalities are to be observed to obtain the benefit of the cost accounting. Therefore, it does not apply the small and medium firm. Next limitation is expensive. Cost account expensive and require the reconsultations with the financial records. It is unnecessary. Cost account of the recent organization and enterprise can be survived even without the cost accounting. And we have the secondary data. The data it's depend on the financial statements for the lots of information. If any error or the shortcoming in the information creeps into the cost accounting also. These are the limitations of the cost accounting. So we had discussed what are the different terminology we use it in a cost accounting. What is the proper definition of the cost accounting as per the ICWA of London as well as India? The relationship between financial accounting, cost accounting, management accounting, and objective and limitations of the cost accounting. For knowledge assessment, I am having the questions for the true and false. Thank you.